Will I need to go to court or to hearings in my criminal case? I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm. I'm a Florida criminal defense attorney. This is a question that many of my clients ask me when they first meet with me. Will I have to show up to hearings? And the answer is, it depends on your case. The first hearing you're going to have to deal with is what's called an arraignment. An arraignment is where the charges against you are read, and you either plead guilty or not guilty. Now, if you hire us as your attorney, we're going to file what's called a waiver of arraignment and a written plea of not guilty. And what that does is that resolves the arraignment right there. You've already pled not guilty. You don't have to show up at the arraignment. It's waived. Now, after the arraignment, there's going to be a series of other hearings, and that might be called pretrial conferences or docket reviews or some other name. And you may or may not be required to show up at those hearings. But let me tell you something. A lot of time, it's to your advantage to show up at those hearings because good opportunities can arise. You may get an opportunity from the state attorney that you don't want to turn down, or there may be another option that comes up that just may be worth looking at, or maybe you want to be informed about your case. Now, if you've got a medical appointment, if you've got work, if you've got something that's a pre-existing engagement that you can't reschedule, then we can work with you, and sometimes we can file what's called a waiver of your appearance at those hearings. But we'll look at that on a case-by-case basis. Why am I telling you this? Because this is information you need to know if you're dealing with criminal charges. And I deal with this every single day. So call me at the number below. I'm glad to talk about your case with you. Also, if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, go ahead and click the like button below right now. That way your friends and family can benefit from the information I'm giving you. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer of the Kramer Law Firm.